Okay, so my next question to you, how could you like use pseudo selectors in UI styling?
So pseudo selectors in styling, like hover and focus, maybe the nth child, first child, last child. So pseudo elements are to style elements based on their state or position. So in the project we had like a when the on the product card, whenever the user was hovering over the products, we were changing the maybe the button color or something, and that is a different state, like the hover state. And based on the hover, I'm changing maybe the button color or the text color or something. And I can also, whenever I am working with maybe like a gallery section. So whenever I'm working in the gallery section, I do not want a margin for the first three elements, let's say. And then what I can do is I can use the nth child selector, pseudo selector, to remove margin from the first elements and then add it to the rest of the children. So that is like one of the examples of pseudo selectors that I used during the project.
Okay, so you have explained very well. So I have a follow-up question regarding this. Like you have explained pseudo selector. So another thing is pseudo element. Can you differentiate between two of them?
Yeah, so pseudo electors allow us to style elements based on their state or position. So hover, focus, or anything. And pseudo elements are that we can add extra elements with our CSS without as pseudo elements. So these will work like or act like normal HTML elements, but they are pseudo elements that are used that are built with CSS. So they are not used in our HTML. For example, if we have any like overlay. For example, let's say in our banner section, we have an overlay, and like after that overlay or over that overlay, we have some text. So in that case, I will use the pseudo class like after or before pseudo class, and then add some styling to create the overlay effect. So that's how I use pseudo elements.
Okay.